Hey guys, I'm showing you this electric portable kettle. This is a digital kettle in really nice color. You will just see, and it's auto shut off and comes in really nice packing, and it says CKR. So this electric kettle has a wattage of 110 volt, and the color and look is really nice that you can feel from here, and it's a portable one that you can carry anywhere you want, like in your office or in your home or anywhere else. So this comes with this electric wire and a manual. So just put in the water and I will just show you its testing. So it's a stainless steel inside 304 or a good grade one, so it's not rust full. So just putting in the electric thing, it started. I'm setting up the temperature so that it will just start boiling, and this is auto shut off feature that when it reaches to this temperature it auto shut off. So now it shut off automatically, the water is boiled and you can use. It's pretty nice kettle.